Good morning, everybody. So today we are gonna try and revamp our headlight. You can buy this headlight kit to get it from that foggy yellow to like that really clear shine. You can somewhat tell, but this is not doing it justice. But there you go. Let's see, right there. You see that little grogginess. You can't tell, like, but it's really foggy, but the video doesn't show it. But yeah, this needs love. We're gonna redo that today. Same thing. I think maybe from here you can see it right there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but these need help, and I want to get that looking fine. So if you have painter's tape, best way to do it is just get painter's tape and then just put it around there and then just start working on it. All right, there we go. That's done. Both headlights looking so good. But these headlights are looking clean. So that's one good way of fixing your car to make it look a lot better. Oof. Oh man, it looks so good.